Hi, my name is Casey Emerson, and this is my persuasive speech on why open-toed shoes should be banned while driving. Vehicle accidents happen every day for various different reasons, but not many people know how many are caused by open-toed shoes. It's, it is something that should be talked about more and something everyone should be aware of. You put yourself and other people in danger every day when you put open-toed shoes on while driving because they do not allow you full control of the gas and brake. You should keep other people in mind before you leave the house. Your flip-flops or slides can easily get stuck under the brake and can cause you not to be able to brake, which can cause you to get into a wreck that could have been prevented. Being able to hit your brakes and gas with the right amount of pressure you want is very important. It gives you the comfortability of not worrying about a footwear malfunction. Open-toed shoes have been responsible for about 1.4 million accidents when they get caught under the brake or gas pedal. About 33% of all people that drive wear flip-flops. Almost half of drivers every day have an increased chance of getting into an accident. There's already so much going on while you are driving. You should not make it harder than it already is. It could prevent life-threatening accidents. About 1 in 10 of these people claim that their flip-flops have got stuck under the brake, clutch, or gas pedal. The shoes getting stuck is not the only problem because your loose shoes could come off while you're driving and cause a whole lot of trouble. Reaction time can be the difference between a fender bender and stopping in time. Pedal control is very important. People wearing normal footwear have a reaction time of 0.2 seconds. Drivers that wear open-toed shoes take twice the amount of time to react. A little bit more pressure has to be put on the pedals. Flip-flops can slow your brake time down by 1.3 seconds. People believe now that wearing flip-flops while driving is more dangerous than wearing high heels. If they actually believe that, then that is a dangerous comparison. Open-toe shoes not only can mess you up while hitting the pedals, but they can distract you. If your shoe is loose and is not feeling right on your feet, it can cause you to look down and try to fix it, but that could be dangerous while driving. You need to have full focus on the road at all times. Distracted driving has caused 60% of car accidents. It is more important to get to your destination safely with the right shoes rather than being comfortable because it could be the reason you don't make it there. Wearing the right shoes while driving is important to being safe. The amount of motor accidents caused by open-toe shoes needs to be at least cut in half. The number could start decreasing if we start right now. To have good reaction time while driving is super important, but only the right footwear will allow that. It could be a problem that does not have to occur if you drive the safe way. If you pay attention and take the right and if you pay attention and brake right, then your drive would be fine, but it does not always happen like that because loose open-toe shoes can cause distraction because they can easily become loose. Then you have to fix it while driving. Keep driving simple and get to where you're going safely.